Hi all, welcome back. Today we'll see in this video regarding six powerful functions. First one, choose row function. Here we have a data array. By this we can select choose some particular rows using the choose row function. Here type choose row, select data array, comma. I want to choose a particular rows, that is 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7, close the bracket, enter. Here we have some data table with respect to what we have choose some particular rows. Now for choose columns, type equals to choose calls, open bracket, select data array, comma. I want to choose first, third and fourth columns, type 1 comma 3 comma 4, close the bracket, enter. Here we have some particular row columns with respect to choose calls, that is name, two call and fourth column. Now column to rows, if I want to choose that, copy the names of the names data to rows, we have a function, just copy the data and right click on paste special, click on transpose and click on OK. Here we have a list of names which convert into rows. Now coming to fourth, I want to sort this table with respect to this unit price using a sort function. Type equals to sort sort, choose the array table, comma. I want to sort this for table with respect to unit price, that is this is as 2 row index 2, comma, and type 1 for an ascending order. Click on the close the bracket, enter. Here we have got the table with respect to sort by the unit price on in a ascending order. Now the fifth one, I want to get the random numbers in between the 1000 to 2500 using a rand between function. Let's see, type equals to rand between function. The bottom value is 1000, comma, the top value is 2500, close the bracket, enter, and drag it to rows and drag it to the down. Here we have a list of values in between the 1000 and 2500 using a rand between function. Now the sixth one, I want to have a validation, data validation for this list of departments. Let's see how to do. Select the this empty cells, click on Alt EA V V, select from this drop down as list and select this list of names. Click on OK. Now here we have a get the drop down. From this drop down we can select the list of departments. Here are some particular powerful Excel functions what we have seen. If you like this video, please don't forget